So I've never really shown a get ready with me this past, it's been a while, basically. It's been a while. So, okay, time to do skincare first. It's not, she's not here. Skincare. Okay, I'm just gonna do my skincare and then I'm gonna go back to do the actual makeup. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I did my skincare. I prepped already. I used the Guerlain. Basta this one. I should have prepped the things that I'm going to use, but I'm just gonna wing it because I pretty much don't know what I'm gonna do myself, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work, you know. It's a get ready with me. It's not a makeup tutorial. Oh, I forgot water. Okay, so before anything, don't judge my beauty sponge because I don't clean it, and I'm not gonna pretend like I'm not a mess. So I haven't shown you guys what I'm going to use. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. It's my favorite. Never really liked matte foundations, so and this is like one of the few luminous foundations. Is it? I have a stupid question. Like, I'm trying hard to be a beauty guru, but what's the difference between luminous and dewy and what like glowy foundations? Can somebody explain, please? Because I think it was NARS that they have a luminous glow and they have a sheer, I think, okay, probably the same. Then I'm just going to put it on my face. Pale, you know what I'm saying? Now I don't like building up so much foundation just to cover up some spots, but I use this NARS Spot Concealer in the shade Canal. It's their soft and matte concealer. So I just do that and cover up the spots. I need to cover right there. Done. Now I'm gonna use this Twinkles and Powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna use a clean brush this time. Okay, focus. So now I'm gonna use a stipple brush and put powder on my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the eyebrows off camera because number one, my brows needed to be threaded, so I don't think it's cool to show you guys how I do it because it's gonna end up like a mess anyways, and it's not gonna be so much on fleek. So I'm gonna show you next time how I do it when my eyebrows are threaded already. So yeah, see, I told you guys it's going to be a mess. Like, it's so thick, but I only just outlined, like, I don't know, but it's because I have already hair everywhere. So now I'm gonna use a Jacqueline palette for my eyes, but before that I'm gonna put by Terry Ombre Black Star. This is Bronze Moon. Everyone in this house is so chatty, like I can't. I'm vlogging, you know? This girl needs to vlog. But anyway, just gonna put that in my eyelid. Oh. And I'm just gonna blend it a little because that's gonna be your base, but I don't want it to be dark. So now I'm gonna grab the Jacqueline Hill palette from Morphe. This is one of my faves, like faves. So I'm gonna do like brownish, reddish kind of thing. So I'm gonna take this first. I use the same brush for everything. And just put it above the crease. I mean like on my crease. I mean non-existent crease. Then I don't have a ring light, so the lighting is bad. Then I'm going to get this color. I don't know what color that is, but it's this one, and put it on the outer portion of my eye and my inner portion of my eye. You know guys, my eyes are not even. I don't know why. I can't explain it myself. And then I'm going to take a darker brown, which is this one, and I'm going to go a little bit in to my eye just to show that red, but like deepening it a little. I don't know, because it gives like a little bit of dimension, like a little bit more in. And you guys can see how my eyes looks a little bit bigger, a little bit more like open. So, and I have Asian eyes, I have monolids, so I create my own crease. The struggles of a monolid, and especially when I put eyeliner, that's the worst I can do ever. Which is this dark kind of thing, and because I already have that bronze moon in there, it's gonna be like, it sticks better. And I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Right under the sun. I don't know what it is, but there you go. Now eyeliner. I'm contemplating because I'm okay with it. Like my eyes look good now. But this time I'm gonna put it like off camera, just because I'm already bad at it. Putting it by myself and with the camera, it's gonna be a mess. Okay, I didn't put a wing, but I just put a little bit of eyeliner in there. Why is my face? So next we're gonna do contour. Why is it dark? So this is the Kevin Aucoin sculpting powder. It's really good. I'm just using an angled brush and patting it in. Like that. Then I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush again. I bought this eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques just for my nose instead of my eyes. This brush is so big for my eyes anyways. Blending it into there. Then I don't know, but I feel like the shimmer of this, because we're going to a party, I'm gonna add like a new bronzer. I hit pan, guys. And then if you like to put blush, go ahead, put blush, but I'm not gonna put blush because number one, I have a zit right here on my cheek, and every time I put blush on top of a zit, like even though I conceal it, it's still gonna look like a zit. And number two, also if you don't have a zit, I feel like if you want to look more mature, or I don't know, but blush kind of makes you look younger and less mature. So if you want to go do that, go do that. And I personally don't like that, especially when I have a red eye. I'm not gonna put blush, so I'm just gonna put on highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm normally putting the Trophy Wife, but it's not, I don't know. I mean, look at the outfit. I don't think Trophy Wife is gonna do good. So this is Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. So I'm taking the Lush, I don't know which one. to be honest. I think it's lightning dust. Yeah, it's lightning dust, and it's much more like the glitters are more fine. So, and then I hate lipsticks. One thing to know about me, I hate lipsticks. So I'm just gonna put a lip balm on top. So that's basically it. This is my get ready with me. I'm just gonna finish off with some Fix Plus just to set everything for my face. Do not open your mouth while doing that. I know I put a little bit too much, but I don't know, it works better that way. It looks more okay. You guys see a highlight though. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much how I do it. I hope you guys enjoy that, and let's move on wearing our shoes and go to the party. I've never been to a party except the booth.